Searching for a 2010 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and to the environment. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Call today to schedule a test drive.